So this is another project of Primary Homes Incorporated here in Panglao Island. This is in San Isidro? San Isidro, Barangay San Isidro, Dawis town in the island of Panglao. So this is their latest subdivision project, and the available units here are townhouses. So this is the subdivision gate, and then we have the model units right there. For the townhouses, you can choose a mid unit or the end unit if you want some extra lot. So we'll briefly tour inside the model house, guys, of this townhouse unit, 2-story townhouse. So this is the deliverable townhouse unit, guys. So walay tile siya, tapos nadira imong sink, and then this is a service area. Ang kasagbutan pa, no? This is a toilet. Then let's go to the second floor. So at least concrete yung stairs. So diri ang second floor, guys. So ikaw na mag-develop ano niya. Now let's check out the dressed up unit. So of course interior is for the account of the buyer. So lot area is about 40 square meters. Floor is 50 square meters, guys, for the 2-story townhouse unit. So this is in Barangay San Isidro. And this is the dressed up unit. So model unit siya, guys. Naka-interior na siya. So night TV dira. Now of course this is your living area. And then wow, nice. It is your dining. There's nice sink nimo. And this is the toilet and bath under the stairs, the concrete stairs and service area. Oh, pwede ka man ano mukamuti, oh. Let's check out the second floor. Concrete din siya ang stairs. Nice. So, nanay mga salamin-salamin, guys. So, ganina, as I've shown you, deliverable to siya. So, kamo na mag-improve. Wide, dako siya, no? Dako siya space. So, na room dire, mo siyang, I think, for the kids room. And then there's a working area. Nice. This is nice concept. And then this is probably the master's bedroom. Nice. Naka-lights pa. So, basically mo na siya. And that's me on the mirror. Salamin, salamin, salamin. So, that's briefly the ongoing construction, guys. And this is the duplex unit. So, duplex ka nang pwede left or right mo, ha? Left, right. So, let's get inside the deliverable unit for our duplex model. Teres Richwood Homes. So, lot area is about 80 square meters. Floor area is about 50 square meters. So, na master's bedroom, then kids room. So, let's get inside. So, my tiles. And then, kitchen sink. Mumura siya set up sa townhouse, actually. But duha lang ka unit ito sa usa ka section, no. Kato kay kan man depende sa blocking niya. So this is a toilet and bath still under the concrete stairs. Let's go up. The duplex is naka-partition siya. Oh, nice. It looks wider, and here is another room. So that's going to be the site for the units. So now let's proceed to the interior unit or the dress up unit for the duplex. Wow, nice. Oh, may wood na. May wood accents sa ceiling. So of course your living and dining area and the kitchen. I like the wood accent on fiddle, artificial fiddle leaf. Some plantita. And of course, it's going to be the toilet and your service area. Wow, nice. Kalibunan pa siya. So let's go up to this second floor. This is going to be the kids area. So, mura-mura siya sa townhouse, actually. Lahi lang siya og interior design. Pero katong sa townhouse, ganyan is mura tog na atoy. On this side, na ato siya murag working area. Kanis, dito siya master's bedroom. Nice. Ayos. So, nagya po salamin.